I'm at Dream Onyx Punta Cana, and I am entering room 7133, which is a 2-bedroom family deluxe suite. So this is great for large families for sure, because we have the king bed, and then there's actually 5 rooms here on property that would also have a sofa bed in this area. And this family suite, the point is that you can get a pool view, so you can see right there, the lazy river is literally right there. They have water slides, so this is great for the kids. They can go right to the lazy river. So then we come through here, and this is a great huge space, large living area, and then these convert to 2 double beds. So again, you've got, can throw some kids in here, walk around this way. They would have their own bathroom here. So we've got another full bathroom over here. And then we can come in here, and again, this connects. So there's Anjali, we've got the sales manager. Hello.
Hello.
So then we come over here, and we have another full bedroom here. And is this a sofa bed down here? This one's not. 72 with sofa beds. So total maximum occupancy here is how many? 10 people. 5 and 5. So great for a very large family.
And children under 13 is
Children.
considered child.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Great. So again, 2-bedroom family suite at Dreams Onyx in Punta Cana. Beautiful. And this section opened in
2 years ago.
2 years ago. So again, modern, fresh, and new.